This is the new engine oil that we'll be using. It's from AMSOIL. It's an American brand. It's one of the finest. And as per our manual, we need 5W40. But apart from that, we also need to pay attention to the manufacturing standards or specifications. As here is mentioned, Volkswagen VW 502.00/505.00. So basically this is VW specified, and it's approved by VW as well. In fact, it's approved by BMW, Porsche, Renault. Before we start filling up the oil, we need to make sure that the car is completely leveled and flat on the ground. So as per specifications, we need around 2.8 liters of engine oil for this engine. It is a 1.2 MPI. So we'll be using this measuring jar. It goes up to a liter. We'll pour 2.8 liters, then run the engine for a while, let it cool down, let it settle, and then check if the oil level is down. Because sometimes what happens is, because of the oil filter, it takes up an extra 100 or 200 ml of engine oil, which gets stored up in here. So here's 1 liter of fresh engine oil. Make sure that you go very slow because it takes up a while to trickle down. Don't rush the process. So we have already poured in around 2 liters of engine oil. This is the last 800 ml, and then we'll run the engine for good 10-15 minutes. Check if everything's okay and let it cool down a little, and then we'll pull out the dipstick and see if the engine oil level is correct. We will now close the fill port and go start up the car. So we have started the car. We'll let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it heat up, let the oil heat up. While we are here, we can also check for the coolant levels. So the coolant should be between min and max. So that's right, that's about right. We can also check the brake fluid levels. As you can see, it's at the level itself. The engine had been running for good 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's completely hot, and now we'll wait for another 10-15 minutes for it to cool down and the oil to settle in the oil pan. And then we'll pull out the dipstick and check the oil level, and if need be, we'll pour in some more oil in increments of 100 ml each. So 100 ml, we'll check again, then 100 ml. So after about adding another 100 ml, 100 or 125 ml, it's absolutely perfect, the oil level, as you can see on the dipstick. So we are ready for a test drive, and then we'll also check again. In case the oil level dips, we'll add a little bit more.